Mr. Mush here. So, for our clay project today, we're going to make a bouquet of red roses with a cute little teddy bear. Because those are usually like the traditional things that people give as gifts on Valentine's for their special someone. As they say, as Sally says to Linus and Charlie Brown, they're sweet baboos. Ooh. So, anyway, so let's get to it. I'm gonna show you first how to make the bouquet of flowers, and it's really, really simple. All right, so step number one, okay? You're gonna take some green clay, and you're gonna roll out a coil like this, okay? Pretty simple, okay? Then you're gonna take some red clay, or it can be whatever color you want, because roses come in all different colors, red, orange, yellow, you know, a blend of colors, so it's up to you what you want your rose's color to be. I'm gonna go with traditional red. So you smush it down like this. It should be like an oval shape. And then you're gonna roll it up like that. And like, I'm gonna put it closer to the camera. See how it looks like a rose, okay? Really simple, okay? And then you put it on top of your stem, and bam, you got a rose. And then to do a bouquet, you're gonna do 12 of these, okay? If you wanna do more, okay, that's up to you. So I'm gonna put this here. I already have a bouquet made, so I made it in the shape of a heart. I have 12 roses here, okay? And then once you have your bouquet, your step number 2 is you're gonna make the paper and wrap it around the flowers, okay? So I'm smushing out this purple, okay? And then like that. I'm gonna fold it up, tuck it up, and there you go. And there's my bouquet of flowers. So that's that. Pretty simple stuff. Now, the teddy bear, all right? So step 1 for the teddy bear is, let's take a ball of clay and roll it up, okay? As clay is on my finger, okay? And then I'm gonna push down a little bit on the one side for his belly, and you'll see why in a second, okay? Next, I'm gonna take a little bit more, okay? Maybe a little bit less, okay? Next step, step 2, is I'm going to add a little circle on top of his belly, like this, okay? Next, I'm gonna take 2 little bumps, semicircles, and give him ears, okay? And I chose pink because I'm going with Valentine's Day colors. Okay, you can do whatever colors you want. It's your teddy bear. Okay? So then I'm doing the other ear. I'm doing semicircle, just like this. And then I'm gonna stick it on top, like that. Okay? Just like that. And remember, it's 3D, so you gotta make sure it looks good on all sides. So you wanna rotate it and make sure it looks good. Okay? And you wanna smooth it out so that the ears look like they're just a part of the head, okay? Next, I'm gonna take some purple, and I'm gonna roll up a little ball, and this is gonna be for his snout, okay? I'm just gonna put a little right there, and I'm smushing it down just like that. This is step number 3, okay? Just like that, okay? And then, stick with the Valentine's Day colors. I'm gonna give him a little red nose, just like this. Okay, I'm gonna give him little black eyes. And these are steps 4 and 5. Okay. And then the last parts, step 6 is adding the arms and legs. Okay. So you just gotta round out coils, make them a little bit thick, not too long. I think that's too thick. All right. And then stick them on, and then smooth them out, okay? All right, so I'm gonna go into super fast, adding my teddy bear's arms and legs mode, and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So now we see our bear. Step 7, I think just for a nice touch, is add his paws right here. Just take some little dots of clay, just like this, and put it on his paws, just like an extra touch. Okay? And then once I do this, we're just gonna add a little purple to his belly, and that will be step 8. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it now. Okay, add some color to the belly. Okay, and then I'm gonna finish his paws. All right. So, with that being said, there is my Valentine's teddy bear. And then you can have him holding the bouquet of flowers like that. And maybe you give this to a special someone for Valentine's Day, your sweet baboo, perhaps. All right, with that being said, I would love to see your teddy bears and bouquet of flowers. Please, you can send it to the email address, or please go to our website, mrmushmakes.com. We have an artist gallery for all our Mushketeers. Please check it out so that you can see what everybody is making. It's a nice place to share your artwork, so I would love to see your artwork there. All right, with that being said, I'll see you next time.